Hello everybody, this is Aarti from Only Paithani, and I'm here to show you our new collection as the festival season is right upon us. I really hope you had a great Ganesh Chaturthi, and you're all gearing up for the Navratri and Diwali. So I'm giving you a sneak peek into the new collection which will be in our stores very soon at Hyderabad and Bangalore, and these all sarees will be online as well. I'm starting you off with a beautiful baby pink today with a green border. This is the pallu. Paisley booties on this one, and a beautiful soft baby pink color and green borders which complement the body very well. It's very soft flowing silk, and this is the pallu. All these sarees, as you already know, come with running materials for the blouse. The next we have is a very beautiful deep bluish purple in checks. No bootas on this one. Something very different. Extremely rich color, and the checks shows so beautifully on this one. We also have black in this one available with red borders. A traditional pallu with 7 pairs of peacock. And that's how the saree would be looking like. Entirely made in pure silk. The next we have is a two-tone pink and orange paithani. This is the border. It's a tissue border, and the Baro Panjo motifs. These are very old geometric motifs of the paithani. These are all through the borders, and a very traditional pallu. Then we have this, a very pretty delicate border of parrots and peacocks. Very thin border on this one, so if you prefer smaller borders, delicate borders, this one's for you. And a temple as well along with the border. And a very pretty delicately woven border here. This is the pallu, very traditional parrots and peacocks along the pallu. And the color is a very rich bluish purple, more blue than purple actually. You can pair, this comes with a running blouse of course, but you can always experiment and pair it with contrast blouses. They look absolutely stunning. Again, one quick thing here about the original, identifying the original paithani. Like I was saying, and we have always been mentioning, the front has to match the back. So if you see, it's extremely well woven, and you can see no threads at all on the back. So you just have to reverse the paithani and you'll know for sure if it's original paithani, a real hand woven paithani or not. If it's a Banarsi or a power loom sari, which a lot of sellers are selling online in the name of paithani, you will see a huge jala of threads on the reverse, or you will see a lot of cuttings on the back, which will which is a giveaway that it's a fake thing and not a real paithani. Also the prices, if the prices which are mentioned are ridiculously low, that should be a big red flag. when you're looking for buying a paitani online or in a store as well. All these paitanis are hand woven and take weeks and months to make. So, if you're finding paitanis for a few thousands, that's definitely not the real thing then. Another gorgeous masterpiece here, a beautiful lemon yellow, kind of a canary yellow or between a lemon yellow shade. And this is the border on it. This is the skirt border, almost 18 to 20-inch border. The top border is a munia border. And here's the pallu on this beautiful sari. You can ping us on by messaging us directly, or you can also WhatsApp us on our numbers for these saris. Our WhatsApp number is 9833767750. Another beautiful piece for today. A lovely pastel shade, almost a sea green, with another like a 15-inch border of peacocks. The earlier one was completely floral. There were no animals, no birds on it. It was a completely floral sari. This one more, leaning towards the traditional parrot and peacock designs. Very, very pretty shade. Again, very neatly woven. You can see the reverse. And this is the pallu. And this is how the border comes. This is another very beautiful shade of bottle green, very rich, and silver borders on this one, and no butas but silver lines on this one. Very festive, perfect wear to combine with your silver jewelry or even diamonds if you must. And this is the pallu. These are the munia motifs woven all along the border, and a very beautiful deep tone of silver complementing the bottle green. Next one for today, it's an all over paitani in pure silk, completely silk based, no tissue on this one. Tissue is on the borders with the munia borders. A lovely contrast of onion pink in the form of temple, which is added. Looks very beautiful and gives a nice lovely contrast to the lemon yellow. A completely floral design. Very modernish design on this one, and very well the colors are used very, very nicely, so which really pop out on the light base. And this is the pallu. Floral and also lightweight, compared to the all over saris, which tend to get heavy because of the use of tissue, but this one is on a silk base, so pretty manageable and looks absolutely beautiful. And the last one for today. It's a deep maroon all over, delicate munia border, and this is one of probably the richest shade of munia that I have seen. Very, very beautiful tone achieved because it uses two colors in the warp and weft, and hence a beautiful tone of maroon is achieved here. Again, a full floral design on a silk base. Beautiful fall on the sari, and a beautiful use of colors in green and purples and yellows, which really offset and bring out the base color. The pallu as well is very beautiful, gorgeous floral design along with peacocks woven on the pallu. Extremely beautiful use of colors. This is what typically, a very extremely well woven paithani can be distinguished with the use of colors, the neatness of the motifs, and the weave that you see. Even on this one, if you see on the reverse, not a single loose thread. So these saris, of course, typically these are from our heritage collection. These saris are of course nothing less than a piece of jewelry. So, you would definitely be proud to have one in your wardrobe. That's it for today. We will come back very soon with some new saris. And in the meantime, take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye bye.